So this is my task 5.3. Basically, we've got all the stuff that we were originally set up with, and all I've done is made the simple reaction controller. I've made a extended finite state machine, which will basically handle all the different states of the stop-go game. So all I had to do was implement the simple reaction controller class, which uses the iController interface. Um, just connects with the random number generator and the GUI. Um, so I'll explain this. So basically, states are all derived from this abstract class called state. They all have a reference to the controller. Um, and yeah, there's a few things that the controller can call on all of them in common. So basically, I've also still, as it was required, called the get random from random range, but I've made it a bit more user friendly for the purposes of this exercise. So each state will call this when they need to get a random number. So basically, every state is a class that inherits from the state. Some of them need more variables than others, particularly ones that are actually keeping track of amounts of ticks and such. But yeah, they're all very similar. So basically, I guess I'll just show you how it all works. So press go. Wait, what if we don't wait in time? Back to insert coin. Insert coin, press go. What if we do wait long enough? What if we take too long? Two's where it stops. Wait a while, send us back. Okay, what other combinations do we have? Okay, so I'm quick enough this time. But I wait 3 seconds. Look. And this time I'm impatient. Go across. So those are basically all the different states. Each one should show the UML diagram. That'll help explain it that I've made. So basically, let's grab it. Yeah, so you've got the waiting for coin state. If coin's inserted, calls the. So these are all functions that are the controller calls, and then it calls it on each state too, which also has a function of the same name. So then it waits for press go. If you push it, it brings you to the random delay. Gets a number between 1 and 2.5 seconds. If you don't wait long enough, you end up back at insert coin. If you wait long enough, you end up at the test reaction section. So with this one, if you click before, what was it, 2 seconds, it displays your time here. If you take longer than 3 seconds, that's as long as it will wait for, and it will just display 3 seconds. Sorry, 2 seconds. If you wait 3 seconds, that's how long it will display. Or if you're impatient and you press go, you'll end up back at waiting for coin, and it will just pretty much go around in a circle like that. So I've also put it into the test class. So it's just the same code as we had before. We start to do our test, and we have 38 tests passed out 38, so we know it's running correctly. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Was there anything else I really had to do? Oh, I guess it's worth noting how many lines it took me. I tried to reuse code as much as I could to keep the line count down. So we're looking at under 190 lines. So yeah, pretty compact. So that's it for this task.